Hey guys, Henry here. Today I'm going to be chronoing the APS UAR with both the CQB spring and the field spring that are included with your gun. I'm going to be running 0.2 gram high premium BBs with a 7.4 volt LiPo. Alright, so this is the CQB spring, which is advertised to be around 360 FPS, I think. .297, 308, 319, 316, 314, 315, 310. So as you can see, it generally shoots from around 300 to about 320. Alright, so using the APS's quick change spring system at the back of the gearbox, I was able to change the spring out pretty quickly. So now I have the field spring in. So let's see how this one does. Whoop, misfire there, hit the rim of the chrono. Sorry about that. .384, 378, 382, 380, 380 again, 389, 378, 318, I hit the rim on that one, 386, 379. So honestly, that was a little higher than I expected it to go. I mean, even with the field spring, that's pushing 400 on some of those, so that's pretty good. Now for a rate of fire test with the CQB spring. Alright, now for the rate of fire test. Again, this is with a 7.4 volt lithium polymer battery. One of those hit the rim, but that was 12.5 rounds per second, which actually isn't very good, but we'll see what it does now if I put it actually up to the lip of the chrono like you're supposed to do. Yeah, that was 14.2. So not extremely high, but I mean really not that bad. I'd imagine you'd probably be averaging about 11 to 12 with the field spring. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, comment if you have any questions or concerns, and subscribe to check out our other videos. Thank you.